Hello photographers, today I'm going to show you how to make DIY V-flats for under $20. All you need to do this is two things. You need some foam board, which you can get at the dollar store for $1 a sheet. I have 12 here for the V-flats I'm going to make, but you can actually customize the size depending upon how many pieces you buy. And then some duct tape. So let's get to this. So I've got 12 pieces of foam board that cost $1 each, and then one $7 roll of duct tape, bringing the total for the V-flat I'm about to make to $19. And the principle behind this is really simple. We're just gonna tape these pieces together until our V-flat is the size that we want. In my case, I'm going to go 2 wide and 3 tall. So I need 6 sheets per side. And what I'm going to do is start with the hinge. And with the hinge, you want to take 2 pieces and leave a gap in between them somewhere around 3/4 to an inch. That gap is going to allow you to fold your V-flat up and open it again. If you have these pieces too close when you tape it together, then your tape hinge won't allow you to close it all the way for easy storage. And then I'm just going to take some duct tape and run it down that seam. And once you've got one side taped, you flip it over and do the same on the other side. And now you have a hinge that will close all the way. So I'm going to repeat that 2 more times to make all 3 of my hinge pieces. And the third. So now I have my hinges. Now what I'm going to do is tape the horizontal points together to create the full height of the V-flat that I'm about to make. And again on the rear. And my third. Okay, so I have my basic form established. Now I just need to extend out both edges so that it is my full desired size. So I'm going to slide this over and grab 3 more pieces of foam board and run my tape seams horizontally and vertically. I'm going to flip this over and hit these seams on the other side. And the same on the other side. And finally, the backside seams. And just like that, you've got yourself a V-flat for under $20. And if you have any questions about this, let me know down in the comments. And while you're down there, tell me, what is your favorite use for foam board as a photographer? Then do me a favor and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and then get out there and take some damn photos.